Hallo Leute, guten Morgen. Willkommen. Welcome to Easy Learn German. Today I'm going to teach you the days in German language. So let us start. The day in German language is called der Tag. Der Tag. Observe that the final G is pronounced as K. Wherever generally the G comes at the end, it is pronounced as K. So it is Tag, not Tag, it is Tag. So der Tag. And the days in German language is called the Tage, the plural version of der Tag, the Tage. And at the same time, the week is called the Woche, and the weeks is called the Wochen. Now, let's combine both the words and see. See here, weekday, week and day, they are combined together. Weekday is called their Wochentag, their Wochentag, their Wochentag. And the weekdays is called the Wochentage, the Wochentage. Weekdays is called the Wochentage. And now let us see how we pronounce the days in German language. So here, Monday is called in German, Monday is called, it is Montag. Tuesday is called Dienstag. Wednesday is called Mittwoch. Thursday is called Donnerstag. And Friday is called Freitag. Saturday is called Samstag. And Sunday is called Sonntag. So together, yeah, we'll see only the days only in German now. Let us see. Yeah. So Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag, Sonntag. Yeah. Can you tell now? So Montag is nothing but Monday, Dienstag, Tuesday, Mittwoch, Wednesday, Donnerstag, Thursday, and Freitag is Friday. So Samstag is Saturday and Sonntag is Sunday. Yeah, that's it. Now let us see how we can use these words in some sentences. For example, generally whenever you have to say on Monday, you can say am Montag, am Montag, am Montag. Let us see one sentence here. So, am Montag habe ich einen Termin. Am Montag habe ich einen Termin. I have an appointment on Monday. On Monday. Is nothing but on the, combination of on and the. And at the same time, if you have to say Sundays, for example, full all Sundays. So that time you can say Sonntags. You can use this, you can add this S for all the days. You can say Montags, Mittwochs, Samstags, Sonntags, something like that. So example, you can see the example now, Sonntags esse ich das Fleisch. I eat meat on Sundays. And if you want to wish, if you want to say bye at the weekend to your friend or colleague, that time you can say schönes Wochenende. Schönes Wochenende is happy weekend. Schönes Wochenende is happy weekend. Now let us see, for example, some more examples here. If you want to say I am free on Monday, I am free on Monday, that time you can say am Montag habe ich frei. Am Montag habe ich frei. And at the same time, if you want to ask a question, somebody, whether somebody is free or not, like, are you free on Monday? That time you can say, haben Sie am Montag frei? Haben Sie am Montag frei? You can use haben to ask whether somebody is free or not. Or if you want to say, I am free, you can use haben. And at the same time, another common question, okay, is what are you doing on the weekend? What do you do on the weekend? So you can ask this in German like, was machen Sie am Wochenende? Was machen Sie am Wochenende? Yeah, that's it. Thank you.